Good morning, buenos dias. Today is day 3. It is 7:15 in the morning. And I feel great. I did had a good sleep. I think I slept for like 4 hours. I don't know. It's just like the medicine, like what they're giving me, it's make me like if I close my eyes, I get all like dizzy, but I was able to go to sleep. I have a really comfy bed. So you guys see, like they put like some foam, so I'm so ready to get up. So yeah, so day 3, I'm still in labor and delivery. They're gonna transfer me today, but today I'm gonna drink apple juice because I've been drinking apple juice and water. But I'm gonna try chicken broth, so I'm excited, and some jello. I'm so excited. As you guys know, I love to eat. But yeah, so I want to keep you posted. Thank you for your love and support, your lovely prayers, and your positive, just like the positivity that I get. Thank you so much. Thank you. I truly appreciate it. Much love to everyone. And yeah, so I'll show you a little bit around the room now that I feel a little bit better. So this is how my feet look. They have this, I don't know what's that called, but yeah, this is how I look. This is the room I am. My flowers, my balloons, my bag, my IB, and yes, so I think today they will take the epidural. So I say they're gonna move me to a different room. Right now here in labor and delivery, they just want me to just stay here, and I don't my construction don't get worse, so they're just monitoring them. So yeah, but I'm happy they changed me position. I am on my legs. Yeah, my hair's still a mess. I can't do nothing with my hair. Oh, it actually doesn't look too bad, but I like to keep it up to here because I get so sweaty, like so sweaty. So let me show you how. Let me show you how it gets so hot. So I have this ice pack. Excuse me. This pack right here, like that. Then I have another ice pack right here on my chest. That's how it's just because I just get so hot. But it's just like, it's normal. It's just my medication, you know. And yeah, baby, they're monitoring the baby, and he's doing so good. He's moving. His heartbeat is good. So yeah, so he's good. I'm good. We're good. But I hope you're having a wonderful morning or night. Here is my apple juice, my chicken broth, and my jello. I'm so excited to eat. So I'm gonna eat. I'm eating. This is chicken broth. It tastes so good. It's a little hot, but I'm so excited. I'm just gonna wait a little bit. Some jello too. Here. You guys have no idea how excited I am to be able to eat something. Appreciate what you have. Appreciate food. So I'm gonna eat. The jello is so good. You guys want some? Here you go. So good. So good. I should do a mukbang in the hospital. So good. So early too. So I guess I'll be eating lunch too. Ugh. So I'm just gonna finish. And yes, you guys have no idea how delicious this tastes. Like the best of the best. Like my friend Chrissy, best day ever. So good, so good. I love hearing the heartbeat of my baby. A little baby. Oh, you can see. But yeah, that's what I'm doing now. That's what I'm doing, just here. They took the fluid IB, so since I can tolerate drinking and eating, I don't need that, so that's good. We're moving along. I'm excited. Okay. Alright, so I'm in my new room. This is where the room I'm gonna be staying in. Show you guys around. But yeah, so they took the epidural out, the catheter out, everything. So now I'm on my feet pretty much, so I have to get up and start going pee-pee and things like that. But yeah, so I'm doing much better. I just overheated myself, so I have like a wash rag here. That's the only pretty much thing. Like I just like get overheated and get nauseous. But yes, let me show you my view of my room. Some flowers. My stuff. So yeah, so I'm gonna be here until I go home. So yes, I'm excited and so happy, grateful, blessed for everyone. So yes, so I'll keep you posted throughout the day. All right. I just got some food. Look at how good that looks. So this is my first time trying like regular food. I'm so excited. I just got a chicken quesadilla soup, apple juice, peach slices, and an apple pie. So I'm excited, and yes, let's eat.